Hello everybody, I am Dr. Lodhi Kaneez Fatema. Head of the Department Political Science, J.A.T Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon Dist-Nashik. Dear listener, you all are welcome in this video lecture entitled Water Act 1974, Part-1. वाटर एक्ट पानी इंसान की ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है. विदाउट वाटर वी कांट लिव. सो फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वाटर देयर इज़ एक्ट in 1974 prepared. What is this act? The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 came into force in 1974 and is applicable to the state of Assam, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Tripura, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Kerala and Union Territories. हमने देखा कि ये एक्ट जो है हिंदुस्तान के डिफरेंट अलग अलग स्टेट्स पर एप्लीकेबल किया गया और उसी के साथ साथ यूनियन टेरिटरीज़ पर भी. दिस एक्ट इज़ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव legislation that regulate agencies responsible for checking on water pollution and ambit of pollution control board, both at the central and state. It was adopted by the Indian Parliament with the aim of prevention and control of water pollution in India, to restore and maintain the wholesomeness of water for the establishment. The Act also confer some power to the established bodies such as Central Board and the State Board to control pollution of water bodies. Objectives of Water Act. Number 1, to provide for prevention, control and abatement of water pollution. Next, for maintenance or restoration of the wholesomeness of water. Next points, for the establishment of pollution control water boards and to assess pollution level and punish polluters. What is the definition? Section 2, occupier. It means the person who has control over the affairs of the factory or the premises, and it includes the person in possession of the substance. Outlet. It includes any or conduit, pipe or channel, open or close, carrying sewage or trade effluent or any other holding arrangement with cause or is likely to cause pollution. Pollution, it means such contamination, such alteration of the physical, chemical, or biological of water, or such discharge of any sewage or trade effluent of any other liquid, gases, or solid substance into water, whether directly or indirectly, as may or it is likely to create a nuisance, render such water harmful or injurious to public health or safety, to domestic, commercial, industrial, agriculture, or other legitimate uses, or to the life and health of animals or plant of aquatic organism. Sewage effluent, it means effluent from any sewage system, a sewage disposal work, and include sewage from open drain, stream, it includes river water course, whether flowing or for the time being dry, inland water, whether natural or artificial, subterranean waters, sea or tidal water, to such extent or as the state government may, by notification in the official gazette, specify in this behalf. Trade effluent, it includes any liquid, gaseous, or solid substance which is discharged from any premises used for carrying on any industry, operation, or process, or treatment and disposal system other than domestic sewage. Thank you very much for listening this video.